Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a gift card to PayPal, step by step, in a simple and easy way. So the tutorial today is how to add a gift card to your PayPal account. First, open a web browser on your desktop or laptop and log into your PayPal account. This process works best on a desktop computer. Once you're logged in, go to your PayPal wallet. This is where all your linked payment methods are managed. Next, click on Link a debit or credit card. If PayPal gives you the option, choose Link a card manually instead of linking through a bank. Now enter the gift card information. This includes the card number, expiration date, and security code, just like adding a regular debit or credit card. After entering the details, click Link Card. Once the card is linked successfully, it will appear in your PayPal wallet and can be used as a payment method when checking out online. Keep in mind that you don't need a PayPal Cash or PayPal Cash Plus account just to add a prepaid gift card. Those are only required if you want to add money from a bank account. And that's it. That's how you add a gift card to PayPal. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more PayPal and payment tutorials, and leave a comment below if you want to see another step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.